Hi, I'm Jeremy, and welcome back to Perez Woodworks. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my shop. Today we're going to be making these very simple, easy to make necklace holders. They're a simple design, and they can sit on your dresser, or if you're in the art world, they can be used as displays at your shows, which is what I made them for my wife. We'll get to that in a little bit, but for now, let's go ahead and jump right into the project. Now this project started at request of my wife. She's a jeweler and does several art shows throughout the summer. A lot of her shows are outside, open to the elements. And she displayed her jewelry on just the standard cardboard felt black display stand that you can buy that are cheap to buy, but they also are very light and therefore very prone to being blown over in the wind. So she needed something designed that was portable, lightweight, but also sturdy enough to stand up to the elements that she may be in. So came up with a simple design and just started cutting it out. I decided to make the base out of a 2x8 so it would be sturdy enough to withstand the wind, but light enough to still be portable. I thought that a 20-degree angle would be good for displaying, so I dialed in my digital gauge and locked her down. After I put the angle cut in the vertical display, I needed to put the same cut into the base. Now I could have put on my dado stack for this, but one, my dado stack is very old and more burns the wood than it does cut it. And two, I wanted to be able to dial in the thickness of the cut so the piece sat nice and snug. So I opted to cut a blade width at a time and move the fence over and repeat the process until the fit was how I wanted it to be. That ought to do it. Or maybe not yet. Ah, there she is. Okay, maybe I'll make a few more passes. Looks good, feels good. Nope. We'll go ahead and glaze over the 400 more passes that I made and cut straight to the getting it put together. "401, 402, mission complete." After a quick sand, I grabbed a chisel and removed all evidence of my 402 passes. After all the evidence had been eradicated, it was time to stain. Dark walnut from Minwax will be the stain of choice. After the stain was finished up, I heated up my logo and burned it in. After a few coats of finish, this project was done. Now, as I said earlier, I made these pieces for my wife. She's a jeweler and a metalsmith and a silversmith and an all-around badass, and she needed something very simple yet sturdy to take to her art shows for her displays, which is why I made them so simple that they could be taken apart, broken down, put in totes, and taken to shows. Now, if you just want one of these sit on your dresser or your nightstand or display your jewelry, they would work perfect for that too. Now, if you'd like to check out my wife's awesome work, she has an Instagram page at KlpdesignsByKate Perez. And if you'd like to maybe buy one of her pieces or have her make a custom piece for you or a loved one, she has an Etsy shop at KlpdesignsByKate. Now, also, these necklace stands are going to be available in her Etsy shop and my Etsy shop as well, PerezWoodworksShop, for purchase. So if you'd like to check that out, hop on over there. If you like what you saw today, give the video a like, a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button. I've got some projects coming up really soon that I'm going to be making videos of, really cool pieces that are going to be donated to a community school. So stay tuned and check that out. As always, stay awesome, stay building, and thanks for following along. We'll see you soon. Get in your home, ball. Don't you want to get in your home?